teaching my 10-year-old how to cook pancakes for our breakfast.
Right, now add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, now add 1 tablespoon of oil and then mix.
Touch so many germs. Eat.
Only 1 cup, eh?
It shows on. This is my best I could do.
Yeah, that's a lot of salt, Joanna.
The whole cup.
Yeah,
This feels
the whole
legal.
cup. Okay. Whisk until it's all runny. Okay, stop. Yeah, you can add the berries, eh?
Okay.
And now to the pan. Yeah, I think there's no more space to add more.
Mommy's so unfair.
We are moved.
I know I'll get it. I know I'll get it.
You got it, you got it.
I'm the
Oh la
mixer.
la, you are the mixer. You are. That was a nice flip. This look good.
Looks like a hot potato.